Hello students, I am Anamika and welcome to Quiz Education. Today we are going to discuss a question that come in JEE Main 2025. So our question is, let a factor is equal to I plus 2j plus k and b factor is 2i plus j minus k. Let c be a unit factor in the plane of the factor a and b perpendicular to a. Then such a factor c is. So we are asked to find the factor c. So first we will assume a factor p that is perpendicular to a and b in the plane. So let p be k into a factor plus lambda b factor. So if p factor is perpendicular to a factor, that is, it is given that perpendicular to a. So since p factor is perpendicular to a factor, then we know that their dot product is 0. That is k into a factor plus lambda b factor dot a factor is equal to 0. So if we just multiply it, then it would be a factor into a factor plus lambda into b factor into a factor. And if we put the factor, that is, we are given a factor is ik plus 2jk plus kk. So it would be ik plus 2jk plus kk again dot ik plus 2jk plus kk, and here it is lambda into what is b factor, that is 2ik plus jk minus kk, that is 2ik plus jk minus kk. And what is a factor? A factor is already given, that is ik plus 2jk plus kk, that is ik plus 2jk plus kk is equal to 0. And we know that I into I is ik into ik is 1, then jk into jk 1, that is here the coefficient is 2, so 2 2s are 4, and here kk into kk is 1. Again plus lambda into here we don't need to multiply it with all this factor, because we are only need to multiply I with I, that is I into I is 1, so it would be 2 into 1, and plus j into j 1, so it would be 2 plus k into k 1, but here it is minus, so it will be minus 1. So easy, I guess, and it is equal to 0. So what was our last equation? That is, we will simply write it as 4 plus 1 is 6 plus lambda, and what it would be 4 plus 2 plus 2 4 minus 1, that is 3. So our last equation is 6 plus 3 lambda. So from here we will find lambda, that is 3 lambda is equal to minus 6, that is lambda is equal to minus 2, that is 3 2s are 6. So what we have right before, that is p factor is k into a factor plus lambda b factor, that is a factor plus lambda b factor. So what is A here? A is ik plus 2jk plus kk. That is ik plus 2jk plus kk, and 2 into what is b factor? That is 2ik plus jk minus kk. 2ik plus jk minus kk. So we just need to simplify it. That is ik plus 2jk plus kk, and it would be 4ik minus 2jk minus a plus 2kk. So it would be minus 3ik, and here you can see that plus 2jk and here minus 2jk. So it would be cancelled. That is what is left here. That is minus 4 plus kk and plus 2kk. So it would be plus 3kk. So we have find the factor p, but what we are asked to find? We are asked to find the unit factor, that is c cap. So what will be the unit factor? We will find the unit factor of p factor, that is, so what is unit factor? That is p factor is minus 3ik plus 3kk, and here it is minus 3 square plus 3 square, that is minus 3ik plus 3kk, and it would be 18. 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 9 18, and we can write it as, if we just take common 3, then it would be minus ik plus kk, and it would be 9 into 2, and we know that root of 9 is 3, so we can write it as 3 into minus ik plus kk. 3 would be outside of the root, and what is left? That is root 2. So 3 would be cancelled, and it would be minus ik plus kk by root 2, which is the given answer. That is the unit factor. So that's all for today. Thank you, students.